Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And crude oil was on a wild ride today, falling as much as 1.4% in early morning trading before heading back to the high side, reversing course, and that puts some pressure on the Dow, S&P, and Nasdaq as well. So we'll get right into it, see where the markets stand, give you some key levels to watch, take a look at the crude oil chart, and we'll start with the S&P 500 currently trading at 2,591.23, relatively unchanged on the day. However, our chart analysis score is still plus 100, indicating that the long-term trend is higher for the S&P 500. Key level to watch should be 2,544. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade trial, indicating a move to a sidelines position. Dow Jones currently trading at 23,555.54. Again, relatively unchanged on the day. It actually had the steepest losses this morning. Chart analysis score, however, is still plus 100 with green trade triangles across the board, indicating that the overall trend is up and heading higher. Key level to watch would be 22,887.12. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade trial, indicating a move to a sidelines position. Nasdaq currently trading 6,773.13, up a little over 1/10% on the day with a chart analysis score plus 100, again indicating that the long-term trend is still up. Key level to watch will be 6,517.93. A move below the level would issue a red weekly trade trial, indicating a move to a sidelines position. Dollar index. I was excited yesterday. We finally got the monthly trade triangle at 95.06 that we've been waiting for, seems like weeks on end now, pushing the chart analysis score to plus 100 with green trade triangles across the board, indicating that the long-term trend is up for the US dollar and strong. Key level to watch will be 92.91. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade trial, indicating a move to the sidelines position for the US dollar. And something kind of odd that I've been watching, and typically it's not the case. Generally, if crude oil is going up, the dollar's going down, but they seem to be heading the same way now, which is a relatively new phenomenon for me. And here we have the crude oil where you can see, it traded as low as 56.41 today. If it had done that, it had been its first 2 straight days of declines in about a month. However, chart analysis score is still plus 100, indicating that the strong trend is up. Reverse course today, currently trading at 57.39, up about almost 0.3% on the day, backing off the highs of 57.87 a little while ago. Key level to watch for crude oil will be 55.66. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade trial, indicating a move to a sidelines position. Then we got gold actually up today, issuing a green daily trade triangle at 1283.90, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the short term. Currently trading at 1285.90. Key level to watch for gold will be 1,266.40. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade trial, indicating a move to a short position for gold. And back it out here, we'll go to our Bitcoin. We'll look at the CME real-time index for Bitcoin, currently trading up on the day 5.5%, as gold was moving up as well, which is kind of a nice little coincidence there. Key level to watch for Bitcoin is still 5,191.02. Move below the level would issue a red weekly trade triangle for Bitcoin. However, chart analysis score still plus 100, trading up above 7,700 right now. We'll go ahead and update our 2 trades we were tracking. Williams-Sonoma did give us that exit on Monday with a red weekly trade triangle at 49.46. We'll actually clean up the chart here a little bit after we'd entered at 50.39. So a little bit of a loss on the first trade, but we're going to keep tracking this as we see that if it had Williams-Sonoma has the pressure to head higher. We'll have to see what happens with that. But currently on the sidelines position with the chart analysis score -60, little loss on that first initial trade. Key level to watch will be 54.18. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade trial, indicating a move to a long position. So I'll keep an eye on this trade, and as soon as we see a re-entry, I'll let you know, and we'll go from there. And then we still have Alibaba Currently trading at 187.03 with a chart analysis score of plus 90, indicating that overall the long-term trend is up for Alibaba. Down a little bit, like 0.7% on the day, but we are still in a profit range if you got in on this last weekly trade triangle. And if you've been in for the long haul, you've been back in since February, booking some nice profits for Alibaba. With that, every success. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you later in the week.